I'm gonna wash my hands. Hello, my name is Lauren. I'm gonna be your student nurse today. Everything we talk about today is gonna be confidential. Can I get your name and date of birth?
Kira Sanford, 0904-2000.
And how would you like to be addressed?
Kira,
Alright, so what sex were you assigned with at birth?
female.
And what's your gender identity?
Female.
Alright, do you know where we're at today?
My apartment,
And do you know what day of the week it is?
Wednesday.
Alright, so that would be LLC times 3 since she previously also stated her name. Alright, so what brings you in today?
I'm having abdominal pain.
Okay, so where is this pain at specifically?
Here.
Okay, and then when did this pain start?
About a week ago.
And is this pain achy? Is it sore?
It's kind of like a stabbing pain.
Okay, you said it started a week ago. 0 to 10, 0 being no pain at all to 10 being the absolute worst pain you've ever felt. How would you rate this pain?
9.
Okay, is there any pattern to this pain?
Not really.
Okay, and then is there any associating factors? Does anything make it better or worse?
Not that I've noticed.
Okay, do you have any allergies?
No.
Are you on any medications?
No.
Have you had any medical history or surgical history I need to be aware of?
No.
And have you had any recent hospitalizations?
Nope.
Is there any chronic or genetic issues in your immediate family?
No.
Okay, sounds good. Do you exercise?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink?
Occasionally.
And do you do any recreational drugs?
No.
What's your daily food intake like?
About 3 meals.
Okay, every day.
Yes.
And do you drink water?
Yes.
Okay. Do you feel safe at home?
Yes.
Okay. And then, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our physical assessment. So first, I'm just gonna assess first symmetry. Her face is nice and symmetrical. I'm also gonna check for her pupils using my pen light. So I'm just gonna have you look at my nose, and I'm gonna shine this light twice in each eye. Perfect. All right, great job. I'm gonna have you look away, and then at my nose. Great. All right. And then I'm gonna have you stick your hand out like this. I'm gonna check for skin turgor. Looks great. She's nice and hydrated. And then I'm gonna go ahead and feel your temperature. Nice and warm. Good. And then going to check your nails. No clubbing. Looks good. And then I'm gonna have you squeeze my fingers as hard as you can. Great. Nice and symmetrical as well. I'm gonna feel your radial pulses bilaterally. Alright, those are nice and equal. I'd give those a +2. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to your thorax. So I'm gonna go ahead and look. Looks like it's 2 to 1, so that looks great. No barrel chesting or anything. So normally I would do a lot of this under a gown, but for purposes of today, I'm gonna go ahead and do it over her shirt. So first I'm gonna assess for lung sounds anteriorly. So I'm gonna listen for 1 full breath cycle in each spot. Great, and then now I'm going to assess for her heart sounds. Alright, sounds good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and assess her posterior side. So I'm gonna go ahead and press down like that. Is there any tenderness at all?
No.
Okay, great. So now I'm going to listen for the breath sounds on the posterior side as well. It's going to be the same thing, 1 full breath cycle. Can you go around the back too? Thank you. Alright, and that sounds good. So now I'm going to have you go ahead and lay down for me. This part I would also do under the gown. So first I'm going to go ahead and listen to our 4 bowel sounds and the 4 quadrants. Sounds good. And I'm going to go ahead and palpate. Let me know if there's any tenderness. Perfect. And when was the last time you passed gas?
5 minutes ago.
And when was the last? When was your last bowel movement?
This morning.
Alright, sounds good. So now I'm going to assess for some peripheral edema on your legs. No edema, that's +0, so that's great. I'm going to also check for her pulses, so right on the top here. I'll give that a +2, that's normal. And then on the back of her ankles, I'd also give that a +2. So I'm gonna have you go up with your feet, press down like a gas pedal. Great. And then we're gonna do your reflexes. Perfect. So I'm gonna do this bilaterally, just right there. Perfect. I give that a +3, and I'm gonna do this one as well. I give that a +3 as well. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go get your primary physician, and then we're gonna get your pain figured out and get it all good.
Thank you.